Hi everyone, here just to give a brief explanation of this simple Zeuz password manager. As you can see, it is already assembled, and to turn it on you just need to provide it with some power. If you don't want to use your computer, you can power it from your phone charger, for example, or a power bank. And it then asks you to input your pin. The pin here works like taps. Every time you tap this rotary button, it will add 1 to the current digit. So right now the digit is has the value 0, and if you tap 1, it turns out to be 1. Then you click here on the confirm button to confirm this digit and pass to the next. So the code is 1, 2, 3, 4. So next digit is 2, next one is 3, and the next one is 4. Okay, pin is confirmed, and now you can scroll your accounts. To see an account, you just need to click here on the confirm button. It will display your username instantly, and then if you click here, you can see your password, and if the password is lengthier than the screen, it will scroll, as you can see. And another feature is that this button, the confirm button, resets a timeout. So if you leave your device like this for 1 minute, it will prompt you to input your pin again. Let's see if that happens. Okay, as you can see, it now is asking you to input your pin. So let's go again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I mistaken the pin, so I will show you another feature, that is, if you get your pin wrong 3 times, it will ask you to wait for 1 minute, and it will tell you that you exceeded your attempts. This will not stop a thief that knows his way around, so you can brute force your pin by unscrewing and taking the Arduino off. You can analyze the ROM, you can brute force the pin with the digital signals if you wire this to another microcontroller. But for a simple device, it works. Another way to work around this, and I'm trying to see if that is possible. Okay, so you can see now it allows you to introduce your pin again. I was saying that another way around this is trying to, if you exceed a certain number of attempts, to erase the Arduino EEPROM from the program itself and erase the passwords, but in this first version I was not able to do that. Just to show you that if you click here to confirm and see an account, if you want to keep scrolling, you just click again, and then username will disappear, and then you can scroll again and see the other accounts. Okay, so that's it. I hope if you are building this, you have some fun building it, and if you have some comments and suggestions, please tell me, or use the GitHub to ask for some changes or features. Bye bye.